Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Subaru Crosstrek door panel. First, gather your essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. Begin by locating the small cover inside the door pull handle pocket and gently prying it open. Next, open the door handle and carefully pop out the trim piece behind it. These steps reveal the hidden fasteners you will need to remove. Now that the covers are off, use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws you've just uncovered. Typically, there are 2 screws. Once those are out, take your plastic trim removal tool and begin prying around the edges of the door panel. You'll feel and hear the plastic clips releasing. There are usually about 7 to 8 clips holding the panel in place, so take your time and work your way around the entire perimeter. With all the clips released, the next step is to lift the entire door panel straight up. It should dislodge from the window channel with a firm but gentle pull. Once lifted, tilt the panel slightly to access the back. You will see 2 cables for the door lock and handle. Carefully unclip and remove their ball ends. Finally, disconnect all electrical wiring harnesses, such as those for the window switch and speaker, by pressing their release tabs. For reinstallation, first, check that all plastic clips are on the door panel, not in the door. Reconnect all electrical harnesses and the door lock and handle cables. Then, align the top edge of the door panel with the window channel and slide it down into place. Once aligned, firmly press around the panel's perimeter to snap all the clips back in. Finally, test the window, door lock, and handle to ensure everything functions correctly before replacing the screws and trim pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.